My dear friends, we come in this world and we are born in this world, and being in this world we have to struggle in our life. To face the challenges of this life, we have to make ourselves well prepared, and therefore we always struggle in our life. But on the way of the journey of our life, we fall and we get up. We test failure in our life. We always fall and we always get up. And you might have seen many people who fall and again they get up. Again they fall, again they get up. So this is the way where the person can get his aim. This is the way where person can get his ambition. And therefore in our life everyone has to struggle. The life is not easy going life. The life is the full of struggling. The life is full of challenges, and therefore in our life we all have to struggle. We all have to fall down. We all have to get up unless we get our success, unless we get our aim, unless we get our goal. There are many people who fail but they give up. There are many people who always test failure and they give up entire their activities, and they become discouraged, they become disappointment, and then they leave everything. They don't even try to do to get up. And also there are various people who always fall but always they have got the strength to get up and to move ahead in their life. So my dear friends, why I am telling you today, because in this present scenario the life is not easy. The life is full of challenges. The life is full of struggle, and therefore we all have to struggle in our life unless we get our aim, unless we get our goal. We have to keep on moving in our life. There is a famous statement in that it is said, success is built on failure. It is true. Many people who failed in their life and afterwards they achieved greatness in their life. Many people who have tested failure and then they have become great today. There are series of examples for it, who failed in their life but they did not give up. They got up and they continued moving ahead in their life, and they achieved their final goal. There are some people who think that the life is full of pains and suffering. The life is full of a struggle, and this kind of people they give up. They don't even try to do to achieve their goal, and such kind of people always they remain failure in their life. They always hate their life. They always look around the world looking at the success of other people. They get jealous. But there are some good people who look at the successful people, looking at them, they get some encouragement, they learn something from them, and they also get up from their failure and they continue to move ahead in their life. There is no one in this world who has not tested failure in his life. Everyone who has become great today has tested failure in his life, and then he became successful in his life. Martin Luther King has said, if you cannot run, you walk. If you cannot walk, you crawl. If you cannot crawl, but you must keep on moving ahead in your life. You should not look back. And also Nelson Mandela has said, education is a powerful weapon that can change the entire world. This is true. Education is the only way where we can remove the darkness, where we can dispel the darkness in this world, where we can bring the light in the darkness, and also we can bring the hope where there is hopeless. So education is a powerful weapon that can change the entire world. And today, because of the education, today we see the advancement of the world, the advancement of sciences. So my dear brothers, my dear friends, let us not give up, but we must keep on moving in our life. Unless we achieve our aim, unless we get our goal, we must keep on moving. Let me tell you one great man who had a deep failure in his life, but he did not give up. He kept on moving in his life and he became successful one day. And do you want to know who is this man? He is Thomas Edison, the inventor of light bulb. You know, this man in his life, he had failed 1000 times. Not only once, not only twice, not thrice, but 1000 times he had failed in his life in order to invent the bulb light. But this man never gave up. He continued, kept on doing his activities, and finally he could invent the light bulb. He got successful. And you know, one day the reporters asked him, "How do you feel in your life since you had failed 1000 times?" So wonderfully he answered them, "I had not failed, but it had been 1000 steps of invention, this light bulb." So my dear friends, let me tell you one thing. Look at this great man who could become successful in his life. Having experienced 1000 times, he did not give up, but he kept on moving ahead in his life. He kept on doing the activities of the invention of light bulb, and finally he achieved it. Why not we? We also can do it. Whenever we fall in our life, we must get up and we must keep on moving. We must keep on doing the work of our own goal. Unless we get it, we must do it. And therefore we all have potential to actualize of what our aim is. So let us make up our mind today onwards that we'll do it. Take resolution in your life that I will do it unless I get my aim, unless I get my goal.